Welcome back my friends. In today's video, we're delving into the online game Clash of Clans. Subscribe to get this entertaining and informative videos. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Today we are going to look how to move obstacles in Home Village in Clash of Clans. For that you must need magic item Shovel of Obstacles. Click on the obstacle that you need to move. Then click on Move. Now you can place the obstacle wherever you want. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more. Don't forget to check out our other videos.